नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आशा है सब अपने घर में कुशल मंगल होंगे, है ना। होप यू ऑल आर वेरी वेल डूइंग। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बच्चों। होप यू आर ऑल प्रेइंग एवरी डे। भगवान का पूजा कर रहे हैं आप सुबह सुबह उठकर। बहुत अच्छा बच्चों, बहुत अच्छा। मैं जानती हूँ कि आप सब मेरे बच्चे हैं, आप सब गोल्डन गेट के बच्चे हैं। सुबह सुबह उठकर भगवान की पूजा कर रहे हो, है ना। वेरी गुड। When you take every morning, take bath and do the prayer everywhere, it will give a positive energy to you. Okay. Positive energy will create a very good way to you. It will show a very good path to you. Okay. Hope you are all respecting your parents, elders. अपने मामा पापा का कहना मान रहे हैं, उन्हें सम्मान से बुला रहे हैं। और यू आर कॉलिंग योर पेरेंट्स रेस्पेक्टेडली। वांग पोंग, नॉट की वाह पो लाइक दैट। नो, कैसे बुला रहे हो? वांग पोंग। ओके, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। और नाना नानी, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, उन्हें कैसे बुला रहे हो आप? वांग पोंग। आर यू ऑल डूइंग सर्विस टू योर पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स? उन्हें हेल्प कर रहे हो? बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। माँ देखो, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को हेल्प करने से आपको बहुत सारे ब्लेसिंग्स मिलेंगे। यू विल बी गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स व्हेन यू डू सर्विस टू योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स। ओके, दे विल ब्लेस यू, they will bless you. It's very golden opportunity to get the blessings from your grandparents. I don't have grandparents, even the parents. Okay, I'm missing all that. If you have your grandparents, so be blessed. That means you're blessed. You're blessed by the God that you have a grandparents. So keep them safe. They are all possession to us. Grandparents were the possession to us. Okay, keep them safe, keep them happy, do service for them. ठीक है बच्चों? So for getting the blessings, no, we have to be in davam, really. So their blessings were so because they have lived their life with a lot of experience, with a lot of sacrifications, and they have a positive energy. Now they have a positive energy, fully positive energy. So when they bless us, we will be getting positive energy and we will be blessed. So children, be blessed and do service for your grandparents. Respect your parents, respect your grandparents. Don't give them troubles. Okay, don't take curse from them. Don't take curse from them. If you don't want to take curse from them, what you have to do? You have to keep them happy. See, this is the age, they are all so elderly people. This is the age when some noises will come, they will feel irritating. So do be quiet at home and be happy and share among them, speak to them. They have got a lot of knowledge. See, now and all we don't know anything, but they will say a story, lot of stories. Even some parents would be there who would be there in the independence fightings during our independence war. Okay, so ask them about the wars, how they lived, how was their houses. Okay, so these are the informations we have to know from your grandparents. Don't think that they are the old person, what they will do. It's nothing. You just ask them many questions. They will be having a lot of stories. You will be amazing by hearing those stories. Okay, ask. If grandparents are there, ask them, you were there during the independence, what happened, who were there near, where and all you went, how you went, how was the train ticket then, what was the rate of the train ticket, what was the rate of the vegetables, how much land you had, how the atmosphere was there before. Like that you ask lot of questions. You will be amazing to hear all that. Okay, so keep your parents and grandparents happy. That is your foremost duty. Okay, so respect them. चलें, आज हम कौन सा लेसन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं? 7th लेसन. इसके पहले हम 6th लेसन पढ़ चुके हैं सेकेंड टर्म के लिए, और ये सेकेंड टर्म का 7th लेसन है. 7th लेसन में हम आज देखने जा रहे हैं आज का दौर. 7th लेसन में आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं आज का दौर. The world today. How was the world today? How was the world before? How was the days before, you ask from your grandparents, and how was the days now? You know the neighboring persons who were living neighbor to you? In flats and all, if some families are there, they never know who are living near to our house, neighboring house. This is the world today going, isn't it? And we never have time to think about the other's problem. All are suffering from problems. All are suffering from problems, है ना? So हमारे लिए आज टाइम भी नहीं है कि पास में कौन है, उनके जीवन में क्या हो रहा है, क्या वो हैप्पी हैं, क्यों वो सैड है, जाके ज़रा पूछ लें, why you are sad. We have no time to ask. We are running, है ना? So this is the world today. Now this is a short poem, like we are going to learn आज का दौर, the world today. चलें, देखिए, आज का दौर घर में, समाज में, नगर, देश, दुनिया में रह गया है बदलकर. भाईचारा, प्रेम, सौहार्द, ममता में लड़ाई झगड़ा, स्वार्थ रह गया है बदलकर. What they want to say, see this I have taken from your book slides, okay? Because I didn't get the pictures like this. That was not good also. So this is the poem, that's why I have taken the content from the book itself. आज का दौर घर में, today's world in house, घर में, at house, समाज में, society में, समाज means society में, नगर में, in नगर means city, देश में, in state, दुनिया में, in world. आज का दौर घर में, at house, समाज में, सोसाइटी में, नगर में, सिटी में, देश, in state, दुनिया, वर्ल्ड में रह गया है बदलकर, चेंजिंग. बदलना means to change. बदलना means to change. कपड़ा बदलो, change your dress. अपना कपड़ा बदलो, change your dress. Like this, okay? बदलकर means by changing. So today's life at house, in society, in city, in state, in world, it has been all changed. How it has been changed? भाईचारा, brotherlyhood. भाईचारा का मतलब है brotherlyhood, प्रेम, love, सौहार्द, friendship, ममता, mother's love. कैसे बदल गया ये सब? कैसे बदल गया? These भाईचारा, the brotherlyhood, the love, the friendship, the mother's love has been changed into. How it has been changed? लड़ाई, fight. लड़ाई झगड़ा means fighting. स्वार्थ, स्वार्थ का मतलब है selfish. स्वार्थ का मतलब है selfish. These all has been changed into selfishness, in this world today. You know, everything has been changed into selfish. We are not at all bothered for others' life. We have changed into selfish. The world has changed as a selfish. And you can know that in many of the houses, if there are some 3 to 4 brothers, they will start before marriage and all, they will be so lovable to each other, so caring to each other. But after the marriage, no, in many of the, not I'm saying in some of the houses, I'm saying this is some of the example I'm giving you. After the marriage, no, the wife enters, the 3 different wives enter at home, and there starts fighting. There starts selfishness, and there starts ladai jhagda between the brothers, है ना? It's not like a Pandian stores. Pandian stores में brothers सब कैसे हैं? मिलजुल कर है ना? उसमें भी wife जो अंदर बाहर से आई है, they are also caring towards their families in Pandian stores, है ना? और देखिए यहाँ पर कैसा हो रहा है? For some houses, in some houses, the brothers will start to fight for the land, fight for the money, है ना? So likewise, what in this paragraph is said that आज का दौर in this world, आज का दौर in this world, घर में, at home, समाज में, सोसाइटी में, नगर में, सिटी में, देश इन स्टेट में, दुनिया इन वर्ल्ड, सब बदल गया है. कैसा बदला हुआ है? भाईचारा, ब्रदरलीहुड, लव, फ्रेंडशिप, मदर्स लव हैज कन्वर्टेड इनटू लड़ाई झगड़ा सेल्फिश में बदल गया है. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? एग्जाम्पल कैसा रहा? अच्छा, अगर कोई झगड़ा ऐसा हो रहा है ना, everything is beyond the money. Every fight starts, the reason would be the money, just money. If we sacrifice all, if we start to care towards others, okay, if we don't have desires, we will live happily. We will be having a feel to take care of others. Desire is the only problem where the selfishness starts. Okay, so we should be, what the God has given us, we should be satisfied with that. There should not be more desires, there should not be more eagerness, this one, that one, that one. No, what the God has given us, we should be satisfied with that. ठीक है, भगवान ने जो हमें दिया है, हमें उससे सेटिस्फाई हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, चलते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. देखिए, अर्थ जानिए. समाज के बदला, यहाँ पर ये, एक मिनट इसे ठीक कर दूं. समाज, सोसाइटी, हम कहाँ पर हैं? सोसाइटी के अंदर है. हमारा घर कहाँ पर है? सोसाइटी के अंदर है. हमारे घर के आसपास रहने वाले सब हमारे सोसाइटी के लोग हैं, है ना? द पीपल ऑफ सोसाइटी. We are living under this society. Our houses and societies. So we have to take care of our society. Caring is a very, very important thing. Okay, if we care for others, we will feel happy for that. So nagar is city, dunya, world, prem, love, sauhard, friendship, mamta, mother's affection, ladai झगड़ा, fighting, स्वार्थ, सेल्फिश. ओके, मीनिंग आप समझ लीजिए बच्चों. जो मीनिंग आप इसमें समाज, सोसाइटी आपको लर्न कर लीजिए. मीनिंग आप जितना लर्न करोगे उतना आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. आप हिंदी में बातें कर सकते हैं, एटलीस्ट आप समझ सकते हैं. ओके, जब कोई आपके साथ हिंदी में बातें कर रहा होता है तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि क्या बात कर रहे हो. Okay.